Hello guys, welcome to the unboxingtoys.com. Today we are unboxing electromagnetic crane by Butterfly Fields. This product is completely made in India with MRP of 450 rupees. Let us start its unboxing. This product comes with three things. The one is electromagnetic book guide. The second one is the main part for making electromagnetic crane. And third one, the tools. Now let's take out these different shapes for making an electromagnetic crane. These are the tools like electromagnetic sockets, batteries, pipes, etc. Now let's start building the crane. Take the rectangle shape and put it into the four corners of this board. As you can see that the small holes in the rectangle shapes must be at the upper sides. Continue filling the four corners. As you can see that the board is balancing. Take out the pipe and put into the small holes of these rectangle shapes. Now attach the four circles at the four corners of this pipe. As you can see that the base for this electromagnetic crane is being ready. Now put this aside. Moving further, you need to attach the wings of this crane into this shape. After that, you need to attach this shape with this crane. For this, you need to use the T shape. Now you need to attach the long pipe at the back side of this crane and the short pipe at the front side of this crane. Attach the short pipe partially. Take the thread roller and put it into this pipe. Now take this thread at the back side. You need to tie a knot here. The crane is almost ready. For making an electromagnetic effect, you need to put an iron nail into a square. Now attach the socket into an iron nail. Remember, the wires must be connected with the socket. Cover it with another square. And finally put an iron screw in it. Now simply tie the iron screw with the thread. Here is the electromagnetic crane. As you can see that the iron gets automatically attached with this crane.